Adding animation to a Wix website can enhance the user experience and make your site more engaging. To get started, log into your Wix account and access your website editor. First, click on the Add Element button on the top bar of the editor. Then select More from the drop-down menu, and choose Animations from the list. This will open the Animations tab where you can browse through various animation effects such as fade in, slide in, and scale up. Choose an animation effect that suits your needs and drag it to the element you want to animate, such as a text box or an image. You can also customize the animation by adjusting its duration, delay, and timing function. To add more complex animations, you can use the Interactions feature, which allows you to create custom animations based on user interactions such as hover, click, or scroll. To access the Interactions feature, click on the Settings icon on the top bar of the editor. Then select Interactions from the drop-down menu. In the Interactions tab, you can create a new interaction by clicking on the Add Interaction button, then selecting the trigger and action you want to use. For example, you can create an interaction that animates a button when a user hovers over it. When adding animations to your Wix website, it is essential to keep in mind the principles of good animation design, such as keeping animations simple, subtle, and consistent. Avoid overusing animations, as they can distract from the content and slow down the loading time of your site. Finally, preview your website to test the animations and make any necessary adjustments. With these steps, you can add animations to your Wix website and create a more engaging and interactive user experience.